Hi, my dear Aries, and welcome to Divine Enchantress. This is your Divine Enchantress with your month of May 2021 love readings. Alright, I have to thank you all so much because even though I was absent from the channel for some time, but you all have been so good and so supportive about it. And I promise that I will try and make sure to put in a lot more content as time goes by. Also, please stick to the channel if you really like these readings for your mid-month of May readings, and in the comments let me know if you would like me to add more aspects of money, career, romance, and health as well. Okay, so please keep in mind these readings are purely general in nature, so they may or may not resonate with all of you. And let's begin with your month of May 2021 love readings for my dear Aries. All right, we have passion, and at the bottom of the deck we have unrequited love. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. So for some of you there could be a little a little feeling of having something fizzling out of your life is what I feel. And on the other aspect, okay, maybe I intuitively feel that you have found some passion somewhere else. So this could be a scenario for some of you wherein you have actually now realized that the rekindled passion within you, the energy that you sought, because Aries being a fire sign is very feisty, is all about the sparkle and the glitz and the extreme passion of your relationship. And for you to have a match which is like a divine match for you, wherein your passion is reciprocated, your love, your spark is reciprocated, nothing like it. Okay, and that may be somewhere when you realize that what you hold with a person or what you've been trying to hold on to, when it does not really reciprocate to your expectations of this relationship. Maybe because now you are realizing what you really require when it comes to passion. So for most of you Aries, I feel that if your relationship is a little on the rocks, or there is a little uh, what would how I don't know how to put this, but yes, definitely, when for those of you who feel that this is fizzling out somewhere, no matter how much ever you put the effort, the other significant other is trying to put in, but if something has to be tried so hard, then you realize that it is much better for it to just pass on in a way, and to go forth for what you truly deserve, to go forth for what you truly desire, what brings out the spark in you. Now, for those who are already in a relationship, this could be a scene, or for those who are in a very gradual initial dating phase, or understanding the options that they have for them. Please understand that if you are seeking a very true, in-depth relationship, or a very strong, passionate, desirable relationship, that is the entire energy, I'm so sorry, the entire energy over here is for you to judge this situation, this person very well before you promise a relationship, before you commit into it. Because if there is a lack of compatibility, may it be physical, emotional, may it be in the entire depth, because as I said, Aries, the expectations, because your ability to give in this relationship, so your expectation from it could also be a little high. And in that scenario, I feel that this passion, this entire energy, be sure that the compatibility is reciprocated, right? The other card over here says you are limitless. So as I said, your energy, you can do anything you choose to do. So Aries, you have this limitless ability, the option to to opt out of a situation which does not please you. So if something is unrequited, you feel that something is fizzling out in your life, then there are limitless abilities, and something maybe you for those of you who've been feeling that things have been taken for granted, your efforts have been taken for granted by this person, then you really somewhere know it in your heart that you don't deserve this. You deserve some burning passion into your life. All right, let's see from the Rider-Waite what more messages come forth for my dear Aries in love and romance for the month of May 2021. All right, so we have over here for the month of May 2021 for my dear Aries, definitely. So you have, as I said, made the leap of faith, all right, and which has not been very favorable for you. So I definitely do see certain regrets or certain fizzling out. For some of you, the therapies, the counseling for this relationship could also not be really working out. The guidance could also not be working out. Also, maybe there is not the right guidance, or there is no enough right energy for you to actually explore this relationship. Even over here, as we see Aries, chariot is in reverse. So no matter the struggle could be real, the efforts could be real, but I definitely see for most of you all, this leap of faith has failed you somewhere. There have been sacrifices, but as you know, the hanged man shows there are sacrifices that you've made. Maybe you felt you were hung upside down, hoping, waiting, expecting, or giving in into this relationship, but the overall end result has only been struggle with no success. But at the end, and the overall end of this is what you truly deserve and desire comes from somewhere else. The page of swords over here shows that there is going to be a message which comes to you, which reaches out to you. There is going to be some hope, or there is going to be something new which you have to wait for. I definitely feel this could be a little overseas or a distant communication, or you could be hearing from something or someone which actually makes you realize that what kind of, or what passion, or what love that you have been missing from your life, the spark that you've been missing. So I feel that the limitless abilities within you to provide love, to feel love and passion could now be rekindled in this month of May. There is a lot of realizations which could be initially very tough when it comes to those who are having a little fizzling out of the relationship, or feeling that things are blurring between you and your significant. For those, I feel very bad. Now, if for those scenarios also who are going strong, and touchwood, who for whom things are actually going better, for those also, if you have certain expectations that you have been holding on, or if your partner has, then communicate those, I would say, because the page of swords is also a card of to communicate, all right, to have that news, to receive something, to realize, or to acknowledge something. So I would definitely feel that to make sure you do not end up in the unrequited love scenario, if you are in a strong relationship or a new recent relationship you've stepped into, try to communicate, because otherwise disappointments leads to frustrations. So my dear Aries, do try to communicate your desires, your expectations from this scenario. But otherwise, I do not honestly feel that for singles as well, yes, as I said, before you make a leap of faith, understand the compatibility, whatever expectations you have from the relationship or person, lay it all out, let them understand if they can match up to your energy, and that is when you make the leap. But otherwise, no leaps of faith this month, that's for sure. For those who have been having a little disappointments or a little lesson, this lesson will definitely make you understand your very own internal expectations and love. All right, so I really hope the negative part of it all just fizzles off and passes away, but the true passion that you deserve comes to you. And you all have a very safe and wonderful month of May. Please stick to the channel for the mid-month of May readings, as I'll post them soon. In the comments, let me know if I should be posting more for money and other segments as well, career, romance, health, etc. Alright, thank you so much, Aries, for watching this. And this is your Divine Enchantress. You can reach out to me with all the links mentioned below. You're most welcome to reach out to me personally as well. And thank you so much for everything. Keep watching and stay blessed. This is your Divine Enchantress signing off with all love and power. Bye bye.